Hi, simpliRP has a unique feature of defining purchase price. Go to Material Management, click on Enter New Price for Item, select the item for which you want to enter buying price. System will show the last supplied price. You can define the new buying price here, then select the date from which the price is valid from, and save. When you go to Purchase Order Item Entry page and select that particular item, you will see the system is already showing the defined price. System will also show you different supply prices from previous GRN on the right-hand side. Now, please go to Material Management and Price List. There you can see the buying price is already shown there for that item. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your material management. Thank you.